Friends, this is a Godrej Eon 290 liters model. It's a 3-star model, and in this video let me show you how to change the settings on the fridge. So here, as you see, this is a double door model. So there is a separate control for freezer. Okay, so this is going to control only the freezer, and there is also one more control at the top for the fridge as a whole. So first let us see the freezer control. So in this case, if you are going to use the freezer only for cooling purpose, then you can keep it in the minimum position. So it will work like a regular fridge, right? But in case if you are trying to make ice, if you are trying to use this ice tray for making ice cubes, or if you are planning to make ice creams, then you will have to keep it in freezer max position. Or else if you are storing the ready-made ice creams which is available in shops, then you have to keep it in the freezer max positions. Okay, because when you keep it in freezer minimum positions, it will not freeze the ice cream. So that is the settings for the freezer. And here as a whole, this is the setting that is available for the fridge. So we have from minimum to maximum. Okay, so winter, monsoon, spring, as well as for summer. See, this knob is going to act like a regulator, just like a fan regulator, where if you keep it in the minimum position, the compressor will the duration between the one start and the another start for the compressor will be more. In case if you are keeping it in the maximum position, then the compressor will run frequently. So that is the only thing that it's going to happen. So generally, if you are a working person and if you don't open the fridge often, then you can keep it in the minimum position itself, because the temperature sensor that is present inside the fridge, that will keep the fridge at a particular temperature level, so that whatever the food that you have stored, that will not be decayed. Or if you are in a place where if someone is opening the fridge frequently, for suppose if it is a hotel, or if it is a restaurant, or if it is like a PG where there will be many users and they will be opening up the fridge now and then. So in that case, you can keep the settings in the maximum position. So when you change the knob to the maximum position, automatically it will start the compressor. Okay, so you should be able to hear the sound, right? So as I have set the temperature in the maximum position, the regulator in the maximum position, immediately they started the compressor. So when you keep the knob in the maximum position, what it does is it will make the compressor run frequently, and it will consume more power. So based on your usage, you can set the temperature. So you need not change the settings for different climatic conditions. You can set this knob based on your usage. If you are a more frequent opener for the fridge, then you have to set it in the maximum. If you don't open the fridge often, then you can keep it in the minimum. And in between also you can set whatever level you are willing to have. So that's it. As of now, I'm going to set it in spring. Okay. Yeah. So if you like this video, please click the like button and share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.